Yo, this is sick. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
What's up everyone, it's your boy Jonesy back with another video for you guys today, and in today for you guys, I actually don't know what I'm actually going to be doing today. I just wanted to actually just pick up a camera and just actually start recording, because I just haven't recorded in a long time, like vlog style, you know, and so I don't know what we are going to be doing today, but we will be doing something, because I'm never doing nothing. We'll just have to see on where this vlog actually goes. But if you do like it, well, whatever's about to come up, please do make sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button. And let's see where this vlog actually goes. Guys, guess what has arrived for me today? This is the new iPhone 12 Pro Pacific Blue. I was not expecting it this early, to be fair, but it has arrived, and the box is very thin. I'm just excited, man. I'm very sad that it does not come with a power plug, but this 5G and that Lightning C to Lightning cable. So I'm actually going ahead and unbox this right now, to be fair.
Yo, this is sick. The box is a little bit damaged right there, if you can't tell, and some more up here. Hopefully this thing's in pristine condition with that new ceramic shielding. And oh my god. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm blown away. Oh my gosh. Oh, yo, look at that matte blue, and then you got the shiny blue on the camera. Oh, yo, look how shiny that is. Oh, I don't even want to take out the box just in case. Oh, okay. Feels a little bit lighter, but let's turn it over. Oh, okay. New screen, you know. Oh, hey, check out that thinness of the screen. Like, come on, that screen's thin. Like, it's completely flat compared to my old one. Oh my guys, I'm just so amazed. But look at the shiny edges on that. But look at that, man. And you got the charger, stickers, etc. Wow. I'm gonna set this up and then we can get back to work.
So you all know by now I've made these things. These are my DIY nano Hexaleaf panels. You can go and check them out on my channel. They're doing very popular. But these, however, are controlled. These are controlled by an Arduino Uno. It's the Idealist one, and the power supply, and it's controlled by this power supply right here. But before I had them, I had these things that used to run around the entirety of my room. See them on right now. They run all the way around my room, as you can. And I think there's like about 700 and something, and it is powered by the Arduino Mega, because the Arduino Uno can't handle the many LEDs in here, so I had to have a Mega for that. And I recently got this power supply. It arrived today, and I've just hooked it all up. For my Hexaleafs, I did have to steal the power supply for these. So yeah, this arrived, hooked it all up. But however, this is gonna have to go up there in my loft. So I'm gonna have to route these cables up into that tiny thing right there, all the way up, all the way across to here. Then the white cable have to come down tubing into the plug sockets. However, it is dark, so I'm gonna have to do this tomorrow. So it's the next day here, and today I can actually install my power supply to my loft. But there's a couple of things that I need to do down here in my room first which is these two black wires. They are for the power for the LED strips, and they go all the way up to the trunking, so I need to poke them through that little hole right there, and then I can lead them across there. Then I can put the power supply up in the loft, and then route this wire through all the way across there to that trunking, all the way down to my switch. So let's do that, put you in time lapse and do it. Damn it, it's cold. So, welcome to my loft. I have no idea if you can see me or not. It's probably out of focus, but I, however, need to find that little corner spot in my house from my room, and I think it's right over there into that cramming little corner. So I literally think it is like right in that corner, right over there. I don't know for sure, but it's somewhere over there or here. So, I guess I'll put you in time lapse. Don't ever go in your loft, kids. Nasty stuff. So, I've got the wires through that tiny little gap, and now what's left is to put the power supply up here, drill it to one of these beams so it doesn't get too hot from the insulation, and have to route the actual power for the power supply to like there, I think, and take it from there. So here we are. Well, I've got the power supply up here. I've got these wires routed from all the way down there. Very tight area, if you can see. I've got the power supply here. I've got the wire here, which I do need to feed like down there. So I'm going to connect these wires up, connect that to that, and mount this on like one of these beams or something. And then we can start feeding this wire downstairs into my bedroom. So let's do that. So I've got the power supply mounted to the beam by a screw. It is a little bit dodgy, but it should hold for now. I've got the wires all wired up. Now I have to take this thick wire and drill it through all the way down there, because it won't fit through any more holes. So I have to drill one more for the white wire to go through there. Then we can actually wire up the plug, and then we can actually get started with the code. Guys, we have got the LED strip working now, and it's all controlled from my Alexa smart plug. So go off, turn back on. Easy peasy, lads. And I've still got this on, of course, but I feel like I won't have that on because I got these on, but who knows? So I've set up the iPhone 12 Pro now, and in the mean, I brought this the MagSafe case, and that cost like £50. It's got like the little ring so the MagSafe can actually attach itself to and charge it. And I've also brought the MagSafe along with it, so that's like £40. So I spent a lot on this phone today, and the phone is just awesome. And the camera quality, it's just phenomenal. And this phone doesn't even feel real, you know, it feels like it's somebody else's. So this phone's awesome, I love it. I love this phone so much. And I've also got the AirPod Pros to go with it as well. So I spent a lot of things on this phone right here, but it's worth it, you know. I don't think I'll be having a new phone anytime soon because this phone's just way too awesome. So I am actually recording on my new iPhone 12 Pro right now, and the image quality is actually not that bad, to be fair, if I have to say so myself. This phone is absolutely amazing with the Adobe Atmos's camera. So the definition on the front is actually quite good, because the definition on the front camera is not actually that good, but the back is much more better than your front camera, naturally. But the other thing I wanted to show you guys that I've made up was something that I've been doing over the past week or so, and I've been testing them out, and it works absolutely amazing. So I'm going to show you guys what I've been doing. So you see that thing right over there? That is a TP-Link smart plug. This controls my Hexaleafs, but also I have one set over there for my desk. TP-Link is not supported by Apple at all. You have to go onto their own app and actually do it. However, I can still control them off the smart app. Like if I turn it off, Hexaleaf goes off, then I can turn them back on via my phone. Or I can control them off Siri, you know? And all of the smart plugs are controlled off this little thing. Let me show you what it is. So my TP-Links is actually working off this thing right here. This is a Raspberry Pi 3. My TP-Link smart plugs is connected to this. I've got it wired up to the Ethernet through my time capsule. If you can see. I've got that linked up to my Mac Mini. But yes, everything is linked through this. I'm running the Homebridge software on an SD card, and it has a fanning to keep the coolness in, and seems to be doing okay. But yes, everything is linked through this. So that's how all the smart plugs work. So the Raspberry Pi Mini controls the smart plugs for my Hexaleafs and my desk. But I can also just go to Siri and say, turn off Hexaleafs.
Okay, the Hexaleaf is off.
And they turn off. That Raspberry Pi controls everything. If it wasn't for that, the TP-Link smart plugs would not work. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and if you did enjoy it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss out on post notifications. And go and check out my channel, because I do a lot of stuff on there, and I'm currently 3D printing something out, so it's very loud in here. And its camera quality of the iPhone 12 is absolutely amazing, and I'm using the iPhone 12 right now, and it's pretty awesome, to be fair. So I will see you next time for some more videos on this channel. See you next time.